Soumya Acharya, and today I'm going to be discussing about how emotional healing can 10x your productivity. Now, many people believe performance is 80% mindset and 20% skill set. Performance is not just about mindset. Here's why. I strongly believe, and this is what I've learned from my research and from my mentors, that there are 4 internal pillars for us to be able to balance our internal system. These are the crucial pillars, right, which will elevate our performance if balanced and taken care of appropriately. 1 is mindset, 2 is heart set, 3 is health set, and the 4th one is soul set. Now, these internal pillars, crucial pillars, are like the legs of a chair. Now, even if one of the leg is broken, there is bound to be imbalance. There is bound to be instability in our internal system. And that is one of the reasons for major blockages for our performance, right? So I'm here to share the link between productivity and emotional healing. As I mentioned earlier, majority of teachers, coaches and other speakers focus mainly on mindset. I agree, as I already said, that it is one of the crucial pillars. But mindset alone is not going to be sufficient to elevate our performance and maintain our performance at that level, right? So, as you already know, our mind is made up of conscious and subconscious mind. Conscious is our intellect mind and subconscious is our emotional mind. It only understands feelings and emotions. You can only communicate to your subconscious mind through your emotions and feelings, right? So you might be a person who is very ambitious, who is working on your mindset, who is doing your rituals, who is doing your affirmations, who is doing your gratitude on a conscious level, but there is no feeling associated with it. You won't find much result because your subconscious mind only understands feelings. On the other hand, you are suffering with deep hurt emotions and you've suppressed it so much without releasing it. You might have suppressed emotions like anger, sadness, guilt, shame. You might be heartbroken, and without healing yourself, you have suppressed it deep inside, and you are trying to communicate. You're feeling the feeling, and you're trying to communicate the same thing over and over again to your subconscious mind. Remember, subconscious mind only understands your feelings. So whatever you're feeling inside is what your subconscious mind understands, and that is what you're repeating over and over again. So though you're doing your affirmations and other things consciously, your subconscious mind has this belief, understands this feeling which you have communicated over and over again over a period of time. So there is a self-sabotage between the mind and the heart. Ultimately, the feelings win. That is what is happening. Now, you might be a person who has undertaken a lot of trainings, who has undertaken a lot of mentoring programs, who has attended a lot of seminars, workshops, who's seen a lot of motivational and inspirational videos. And if you are wondering why exactly you're not getting results, now you know, this is the reason. So fix on your emotional stability first. Fix your heart set first. You know, your emotional hurt is like pebbles in the shoes. Now if you're a person who wants to run fast, you can't run having those pebbles in your shoes. You're going to be hurting yourself. Or even if you run to a larger distance, you're definitely going to give up at some point or the other when you're just away from your destination, or when you have almost reached your destination, or you might even not reach your destination on time. So it's crucial to remove those pebbles if you want to accelerate your performance, to elevate your performance, right? It's almost like this, right? Now if you are feeding yourself with heavy, dense food, how are you going to be acting that day? You're going to be definitely inactive and lazy. You don't feel like doing anything. But on the other hand, if you eat nutritious, healthy, light food, how do you feel? You're definitely going to be active, right? So your emotions are like that. They are suppressed, they are heavy. So if you are going and trying to achieve your goals with those dense emotional feelings, it is definitely going to be heavy on your back. It's almost like carrying a baggage on your back, which will definitely not help you move towards your goal in a short span of time. It is definitely going to be a time-consuming process, or we don't even know if you're going to be reaching your destination at all, because you have so much of baggage. Ultimately, you're going to be succumbing yourself to the pain that you're carrying for so many years. So you working on your heart set is the most crucial thing, is the best thing that you can do for yourself. Healing is the best thing that you can do for yourself and for others, right? If you're hurt, please understand hurting is a part of the game, but if you're not trying to heal, that's not going to be helping you in any way, at least with respect to your productivity and performance, right? The third thing is health set. This is again another internal pillar which is absolutely crucial. Now it is not like which one is more important and which one is not. All the 4 pillars that I'm mentioning here are equally important, right? We are all blessed with good health when we are born. Most of us are fortunate enough to be born with good health, but over a period of time, there is a saying, right? Whatever is given free, we don't care, we don't value for it. And over a period of time, we fill ourselves with junk. We get addicted to so many things. We harm our body in different ways. So if you are a person who is gifted with good health, and if you want to improve your health, if you want to achieve high performance, focus on your health. Have good rest, sleep well, eat well, drink plenty of water, and move your body. Please exercise. Exercise is a good mechanism of moving your energy and feeling light. So if you have a good health system, you should be very grateful that you're blessed with good health, and please focus on maintaining that health, right? And the last but not least, it is our soul system, soul set. And yet again, it is one of the crucial pillar which will help us to draw that power within us and help us unleash the genius within us, right? It helps us to turn the analyzer off and talk to ourselves, talk to our inner self. Helps us to dwell on our inner self. It helps us to stand true to ourselves. It helps us to stand for what we believe in, even though if people are agreeing to what we believe in or not, people support us or not, we stand for what we believe in. We believe that we are here to contribute, to produce. We are here for a major purpose. We are here to contribute something significant to this world. We think beyond ourselves, we think beyond our family, and we think towards contribution for the larger society, right? So having this soul set and working on your soul set, going inwards and listening to your inner voice is absolutely essential if you want to achieve high performance and maintain that, instead of going through a lot of roller coaster rides or going through a up and down situation, right? So in conclusion, mindset alone is not going to get you high results, high performance. It is your heart set, your health set, your soul set combined with mindset is what going to be giving you power to achieve that productivity and achieve that performance. Now if any of these elements are missing, you might do, but you might not reach your fullest potential, because your emotional being, emotional well-being is limited, and the power that you're drawing from your system is going to be limited. Alright, so please take care of these internal power systems, internal pillars, for you to be able to draw the maximum energy out of you and move towards elevated performance, elite performance. Alright, in case if you like my video, please do not forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss any future videos that I post. Alright, so thank you so much. See you until next time.